Hi, my name is Paul with United Bumper Repair, and I'm making this quick video to explain how the repair process works at your home. I'm going to answer most of the questions that people call me about to ask, how is this even possible for you to repair my bumper in my own driveway without a paint booth? One of the main questions that I do get a lot is, how do I match the paint color? No one gets factory paint. All the body shops, all the dealerships, they all use a third-party paint company that goes out and matches up the colors, and then they sell that recipe to all the body shops along with the toners and colors. So I've got about 60 or 70 different colors, and when I show up to your home, I pull the paint code, enter it into my software program, and then I can mix any color on site, and that's how I match the color, just like all the body shops do. No difference at all. Another question that people ask me is, how do you not get dirt in the paint, painting it in my driveway or garage? Well, most of the time, even in a body shop, we may get small little specks, something very small, and then we wet sand it down and then buff it up to a mirror-like finish. When I'm at your home doing your repair on site, there's not as much dirt in the air that you may think. And even if there is, again, I wet sand and buff it right out to get that mirror-like look, to get it to look back like factory again. Another question is, am I just a touch-up guy? Can I paint an entire fender or something like that? But I started painting cars when I was around 14 years old. I did a lot of custom paint work, got into competition with custom paint work, and then I worked in a collision shop, a couple of collision shops, a downdraft booth. We had to paint out on the shop floor. So I've seen it all back on the East Coast, painting cars with no heat in a garage with all kinds of things happening. So I learned so much that for me to do a bumper repair in your driveway, it's pretty simple compared to what I had to do before. Another question that I get is, do I have to paint the entire bumper to do the repair? And most of the time, the answer is no. I can blend it right in. I used to do this at the body shop, but painters don't like doing it. It's difficult to do, to blend in the clear coat to make it seamless where you can't tell where the clear coat started or stopped. But that's what I do every day, and that's how I bring more value to the market. Where I come to your house to do the repair, it's usually a lot less than what the body shops charge, and mainly because I'm only painting what really needs to be painted. Another question that I do get a lot is, what type of repairs do I do? I can repair scuffs, tears, rips, shave the license plate holes. If you have a puncture in your bumper from a trailer hitch or something like that, I'm able to repair most of those type of issues right on site at your home. How long does it usually take to repair the vehicle? On average, about 3 to 4 hours at your home. And when I'm finished with the repair, the vehicle is drivable immediately. Last question is, do I offer a warranty? Yes, I do. And I give you that warranty in writing. So take a few photos of the damaged area from about 3 to 4 feet away. Send them over to me. You can email them or text. Text is much easier, and I'll be able to get back to you with a quote. No matter where you're located, feel free to contact me with any questions that you may have when it comes to paint repairs. I'll be more than happy to help you any way I can. Thank you for watching. Have an awesome day.